CyberSun presents Virtual Reality Yacht Visualizer. Revolutionary new platform for yacht builders. Coming soon for Apple Vision Pro. Beautiful, real-time renderings of your yacht design. Allows for configuration and customization on the fly. Easily change materials on your yacht with a click. Or change wood and paint option. A powerful cross-platform tool to better connect you with your customers using the power of spatial computing or hyper-realistic immersion. Collaborate virtually on a detailed 3D yacht from anywhere on the planet until your yacht design is perfect. Send revisions to your clients for approval in the comfort of their home or office. The immersive future of yacht building is coming. Are you ready?